episode of JVLOGS. Big up on yourself, people, gingerbread and jelly bean. As you can see, what I have on right now is one of the famous t-shirt that I've been selling on my teesprings.com. So this is a t-shirt, this is actual t-shirt that I've been wearing for the first time. In short, I'm get a nice clean haircut and thing, so I can make this vlog. So this vlog is pretty much a Q&A, question and answer. Alright, so I realized that the intro for my vlog was a bit, you know, sketchy and thing like that. So I decided to make an Q&A now, so people that don't know me can actually get to know me, and you know, hopefully it'll be fun and you guys will enjoy it. So what I did today, at the end of school, I got two of my subscribers to write down a few questions for me that I'm going to answer. So right now I have 14 questions, right? And I'm going to jump right into it right now. So hope you enjoy. Alright peeps, ready? So what's your favorite habits? First of all, before I even get into that, let me say this. My name is Mark Plunkett. I'm a Jamaican, born and raised in Jamaica, Kingston, Waterhouse. I'm living here in the States now. I'm 23 years of age, which I'm pretty old now, but yeah, I'll be 24 soon. Went to college. Never finished college, that's a next story, but yeah, I'm still going to school now. As you can see in the vlogs, you know, I go to school and stuff, same way. So, yeah, that's it. The name is Mark Plunkett. And the nickname Junior was given to me by my grandmother, my grandma's side of family. Like, because the name Junior derived from my father, who is Mark Anthony Plunkett, so I got the same name, so they just call me Junior. Same with my cousin, his name is JR. So yeah, we just give the same names and stuff like that. So that's why I use JR. That's why I call it JVLOGS. That's why I put Junior to you. So yeah, that's my nickname, Junior to you. JVLOGS, Junior Vlogs. Yeah, they're, you know, name is Junior. So let me get into it now. So what are your favorite habits? My favorite habits is pretty much playing games. I love to play Candy Crush. I always play Ghost Recon Phantom. Second person shooter. It's online, but it's not working for some weird reason. I need to upgrade the computer, but in our but anyway, yeah, I love playing games. I love surfing the internet. I love researching tech stuff like gadget, computer, software stuff. You know, I like to keep informed about those stuff. Those are my hobbies. I love to watch movies, Netflix and chill. Well, Netflix, no chill. I'm not nobody for chill with, but yeah. What is your favorite band or music? People, I love music. One of my favorite bands is Green Day. When I was in high school, I got a Green Day CD. Right, I used to put in that CD and I come home every day and I play the music so loud, I bang pot cover together and all those stuff. And I just enjoy myself, and it was really, really good, you know, expressing yourself, listening to Green Day. I'm on the lonely road, the only one that I have ever known. Don't know where it goes, but it's only me and I walk alone. Da-da, da, da-da. I walk these lonely streets on the boulevard of broken dreams, where the city sleeps and I'm the only one and I walk alone. People, that's it. I can't sing, but yeah, I love Green Day. I love a couple other bands as well. Couple bands I love is The Fray. I love Plain White Tees. I have a few bands that I love, right? Foo Fighters are good, trust me. So most of these popular bands, I do listen to them. Music, I love music in general. Reggae music, you know, Jamaican music, dancehall, reggae dancehall. I love soca music, I love carnival, hip hop, R&B. I listen to instrumentals as well. I like those. What else? I listen to a ton of stuff. So I listen to good music, anything that makes sense and I can listen to. I listen to it. Most of the rap nowadays, I don't really like it because they're singing about the N-word and the B-word. They don't sing about the same thing, money, this and that. I'm kind of like that. J. Cole, big up yourself. Drake, listen to them and all of them things there. Safari, big up yourself. I don't know. SB, Stunt Gang, represent. Yeah. How old are you? I stated that already. I'm 23. How do I like it in Florida? Oh my God. To be honest, I like Florida. To be honest with you, Florida is okay weather-wise because it's hot like Jamaica. It's more humid, less wind in the winter time. As I've experienced, it get cool, which I like the cool weather. It rains a lot, remind me of Jamaica. So it is similar to Jamaica because you can get a grown provision same way you get a yam, your banana. Your banana, your Irish potato. You get all them grown provision here. It's easy to find grown provision down here, which I love. I love those type of food, same way. So it remind me of Jamaica so much. So, you know, I like that about it. The people of Florida, they're different compared to other places. Again, I don't have much friends except for the people in my school and, you know, people on the internet and stuff. Most of my friends are in Jamaica. So Florida on a whole, it's flat. I'm not used to the flat, I'm used to the hills. In Kingston, you look on the Blue Mountain, you see the hills, I love the view and stuff. So I miss that view of Jamaica, I miss the hills, you know, I miss those stuff. But yeah, Florida, it's alright. Jumping into the next question. If you could live anywhere, where would you live? If I could live anywhere, where would I live? To be honest, I always said that I would give Jamaica a break. I know that I'm living here in the States. I would try Europe. Somewhere in Europe, I would go probably to, I don't know, Switzerland or Romania. Romania seems nice. Probably Switzerland. England, not really. But yeah, I'd probably go to some of those European countries and spend a year and see what it's like. Australia, yeah, I kind of like Australia. So the next question is, if you could have anything in the world, what would it be? Oh my God, people, that's a hard question. If I could have anything in the world, what would that be? Yes! Oh my God, yes. World peace. Like literally, no wars, no killing. Everybody just live peaceful, work hard, go party, go church, take care of your family and your friend. With that take away, well, it might take away the war and the violence still, with that take away poverty, we don't want nobody to be hungry. Like how them always advertise how African people hungry. Yeah, we understand some people hungry in Africa because you see them, let me not get political because it would have sad if we get political in this, honestly people. Because these Western powers, Western world, mining in Africa, mine the people them gold and them copper and them oil, and Africa still under poverty, level of poverty still high. You see, even in third world countries and stuff like that, the wealth is not shared. But anyway, that is our next topic. But yeah, we gotta get rid of crime and stuff like that and get rid of poverty. Poverty is more realistic than the crime because people with always have some form of crime and stuff, either stealing, you know, killing, shooting, whatever it is. But you understand, poverty then, we don't get rid of poverty overall from the world. We don't feed everybody in our world. Alright, but that's a very good business. Thanks for that. What's your favorite color? Oh my God, my favorite color is blue. As you can see, I love blue and green. Blue and green is my favorite color. Anything with that, I'll take it. Blue and green. Excuse me, blue and green are my favorite color. So yeah, nice question. What kind of car do you drive? Alright, for the record, it's not my car, it's my grandma's car. It's a 1995 Honda Accord and it drives good and everything. But just to note, my dream car is the Tesla. The Tesla Model S is my dream car. And even if I not get the Tesla Model S, I will get the Tesla 3. That should be coming out next 2 to 3 years time. So I have enough money to buy it when it comes out. But yeah, I love Tesla. And the reason why I love the Tesla car is because it's a full electric car, zero emission, no engine, nothing like that. You understand? So it's the way about the future and people need to get with it. People need to research about it. Also, I have a Tesla vlog which I'll put in the description for you guys to see. My Tesla vlogs. It's full electric. The seats are heated seats for when the winter time come. You have the nice heat, you have AC, you have everything, the big screen. Trust me, people, go ahead and watch that vlog in the description. Alright? Nice question. Do you have any pets? Oh no, I don't have any pets, but I do like pets. But I'm very strict when it comes to pets. I don't believe that your dog should sleep in the same bed. I don't believe that you should bathe with your dog or shower with your dog. That's just wrong, off limits. Dog should stay on the ground or in the house. That's it. I don't really even like dog in the car much, place or anything like that. But yeah, I do have dogs back home in Jamaica, poodles and stuff, but otherwise from that, I don't have no pet here. Alright. If you have, that was our grandma. If you could have any superpower, what would it be? Oh my God, it was I thought about this question like many years ago. Oh, this hurt me. I thought about that question many years ago. Any superpower? You know what? I would want to fly. I would want to be able to fly. Like I even have powers like Superman. Flying is one of the greatest things. Just coming off the ground, people. Like I love to travel and I love airplanes. So flying just have that edge for me. Like, I would want to be Green Lantern and stuff to move things around, but flying is one of the superpowers, realistically superpowers that I would want to have. There's a thrill of getting off the ground and moving in the air, and yes, I would love that. Next question. What's your favorite superhero? My favorite superhero. Oh Lord. My favorite superhero. You know, so I never really thought about a favorite superhero before though. I like Green Lantern, but I kinda like Superman. And I like Flash. So I have 3 favorite. Superman, Green Lantern, and Flash. I like those superheroes. They're alright. All bungling one. They're good. Alright. Next question. Favorite TV show? Oh my God! You can't do that to me. Because I don't have one favorite, I have many. Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, big up Will Smith, the real boss. Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. That's one of my favorite. When it comes to series, I'm watching. I love series. Like Netflix is the boss. Thank you Netflix for creating, or the boss of Netflix for creating Netflix, because I watch so much series and I love them. Wolf Blood recently, Wolf Blood, Walking Dead. I just finished season 5. Oh my God! And I just wanted to grab I just wanted more, but unfortunately I have to wait until season 6. But I love that. Which is of East End. I love that as well. And the list go on and on and on. I love TV shows. I love series. I'm a TV guy. I love movies and stuff like that. Oh my God, how tall are you? People, let me rephrase that question. How short are you? Literally, I'm this short. Step up. Watch it, you see? Look how short. Yeah, see me. Get there. Yeah. But on a serious note, I'm 5'6" short. So I'm short. I'm a short guy. But yeah, I'm 5'6". Thank you. Do you have any tattoos? If no, would you want one? If you have any tattoos, and if not, would you want one, and what would it be? Just to be clear, people, I don't have anything against tattoos, but I don't have any tattoos. I don't have any piercings. Pretty much, tattoos are the mark of the beast. They go on the skin and you have to do laser surgery, which is dangerous to take them off. So no, I like tattoos, but I won't get a tattoo even though my body fit to get a tattoo because I'm muscular. Not bragging or anything, but yeah. Piercings, no, I wouldn't pierce my ears. It's just not my style. Certain things, I know me. I like chains. I don't really fancy rings, but I wear chains and stuff like that. But I'm a cool, kind of laid back type of person. I'm not really fussy, as you can see, I'm not really fussy over stuff, but dressing up nice, that's me. But I'm not gonna hype with it and stuff like that, but yeah. So that's pretty much the end of it. Let me see if I missed anything. I don't have any brothers, sisters. I have 3 sisters. I have my mom the same way. My daddy is dead, unfortunately. Enough respect, daddy. Pick up yourself safe. We'll meet one day again. Am I married? No, I'm not married. What you want to be when you grow up or when you get old? Pretty much, I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to contribute to society in a positive way. And I'm being realistic. I want to have my own business. I want to employ people. I want to treat them good. I want to be successful, and I'm going to be successful, just to put that on record. I'm very motivated. I'll get it done the good way. I won't sell out my soul. Yeah, I'm just a nice young man that wants to help people, encourage people, make people laugh, just make people happy. That's why I'm vlogging. Why did you start vlogging? The reason why I started vlogging is because, as I stated just a while ago, I want to help people, I want to share more, because my type of sharing was via text messages to my friend. We would have discussion, they would give me advice, I would give them advice, we'd have conversation, I would learn from that. So I'm saying, alright then, if I can have an impact on my friend's life, why not impact the world and help to change and even make people laugh, you know, through your vlogs. Make people laugh, make people happy, make people, you know, let them be encouraged, let them motivate them to be better. So that's the reason why I vlog. Are you in it for the money? Money. No, you're mad, why would I vlog for money? Yeah. Like literally, if I'm going to get money, then I'm going to take it via the vlogs. It's good to actually earn from the vlogs, so you can help to build whatever you want to build, or help. Can help you pay your bills. Then obviously no one would say no, because you're actually putting in the work. So therefore, if you get compensated for it, then you're actually working hard for it, which pays off. So it's a win-win pretty much. Yeah. But the main thing I want to do is that I want to encourage people to live good, live in peace with each other, love people, love yourself, people, enjoy life, be happy. You understand? Just go out there, change the situation, change your mentality, change, try to be good, try to help people. Even if you don't know the person, help them same way, like literally help people, help to change your life. The things that you say to people now might impact them later on. They might go to their bed smiling just because you have been kind to them. Alright? So it's very good to just be there for people, help people, you know, all them stuff there. So thanks again for watching the vlogs. Thanks for supporting JVLOGS. Keep subscribing, share this, you know, get a friend over. So that's it for the Q&A, people. Love you. Peace. JVLOGS are out. Get this. Get this. Get this. Let me whip. And let me nanny. Let me whip. Now let me nanny. Alright. I can't dance. I just embarrass myself. But yeah, JVLOGS people, I'm out.